I think meron ditong gumugulo sa isipan mo, pero for some reason, marami-rami dito sa inyo yung parang mangyayari pa lang 'to. May bagay dito na parang gugulo sa isipan ninyo at nakikita ko na magpaikot-ikot ito 'no, kagaya ng spiral stairs na ito 'no. Parang akyat panaog ka dito because you do not know what to do 'no. But as you can see, meron ditong light 'no, na lumalabas 'no. So, ibig sabihin magkakaroon ka rin ng clear understanding sa kung ano man 'tong sitwasyon na 'to 'no. Pero I'm seeing you right here, akyat panaog dito sa hagdan na 'to because you do not know what to do exactly about the situation here. So, let's all find out what is that situation particularly. Okay. And I think ginagambala ka rin nito 'no, kahit meron kang ginagawang importante, trabaho man 'yan 'no or about school kung may students man dito 'no. So, I'm seeing na parang hindi ka makapag-focus sa work mo or laman niya ng isipan mo kahit na nasa school ka or nasa work ka or may ginagawa ka 'no, na importante. Nahihirapan kang mag-focus sa iyong mga kailangang gawin. Dahil dito sa specific situation na 'to na nagpapaikot-ikot-ikot lamang sa iyong thoughts and sa iyong mind. Alamin natin, ano ba 'yan? Napansin ko lang 'no, parang madalas na parang name-mention natin sa salitang ikot-ikot 'no. Parang nai-endorse na tuloy natin yung kanta ni Sarah. Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot, 'di ba? Ikot-ikot lang 'no, parang trip to Jerusalem 'no. Sino ang magwawagi? Yan 'no, trip to Jerusalem. Ang makakaupo sa huling upuan, 'di ba? So, alamin natin, ano ba 'tong situation na 'to? But there's a light in there, so do not worry. Okay, so let's go ahead and check more. Infos. No. Okay. So, it seems naguguluhan yung damdamin mo rito 'no, pati yung isip mo, yung thoughts mo rito or nilalaman ng iyong mind 'no is, parang naguguluhan ka rito. Okay, parang dito nakikita ko 'no na parang half-half or 50-50 rito 'no, ang sitwasyon na 'to, 'yan 'no. So, let me just fix my phone. Nagdilim kasi yung screen ko here. So, okay. So, hi and hello there collective. Thank you po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta at sa mga new subscribers. Hi po sa inyo, ako po si Yan Tuloy. Welcome po kayo here. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much for your love and support. So, wala po tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT. Okay, lahat kayo welcome here. At syempre naman, pwede nyo i-flip yung roles if you want. And at the end of the day, meron kayong free na gamitin na free will ninyo. So here, this is quite sensitive topic, no? This is not something here na mag-resonate to each and every one of you. Pero meron ditong energy ng mga viewers natin na naguguluhan. So if this is not your reading, then do not continue to hear the messages, okay? So I do see that with the Seven of Cups energy, Page of Cups, okay, Nine of Swords up in there, and strong Five of Coins. I do see that this is you. You're dealing here with someone na Um, for others, ilang ilang araw, ilang linggo siya ritong nawala, hindi nagparamdam. Yung iba naman puwedeng taon yung lumipas rito. So, nakikita ko rito na may muling nagpaparamdam sa inyo or muling nagparamdam or magpaparamdam pa lang 'no, na person rito na posibleng nawala siya ng ilang ilang araw, ilang linggo, ilang buwan para sa iba at yung iba 'no, taon yung parang huli ninyong naging pag-uusap nitong person na 'to 'no. So, you find that person here sneaky. I'm seeing, something here na parang possible na may iniisip ka ditong may tinatago siya sa'yo 'no, may hina-hide siya rito na mga bagay 'no, and that is what is going on inside your thoughts and in your mind 'no. Or yung iba naman hindi mo alam kung ano ba talaga yung status ninyo 'no. So, parang naguguluhan ka rito kung ano ba talaga kayong dalawa, kayo bang talagang dalawa, may feelings ba kayo, mutual ba yung feelings ninyo sa isa't isa 'no, naguguluhan kayo, may gano'n. So, this topic is quite sensitive right here pero siya, nakikita ko rito na parang magpaparamdam ulit 'no, muli niya ritong guguluhin ang inyo ritong space, ang inyo ritong world 'no, ay parang muling, gagambalain nitong individual na 'to 'no, and this is you. Yeah, I'm seeing you na tinatakasan mo 'tong klase ng ganitong sitwasyon 'no, dahil dito parang pini-pinpoint mo that with the Ten of Swords right here and there's this Five of Coins, ayoko na miss 'yan. Ayoko ng magpakatanga sa tao na 'yan 'no. So, parang gano'n yung sinasabi mo rito. So, hindi natin nakukuha yung pinaka-specific na dahilan kung bakit ganyan yung sinasabi mo, kasi this is general reading right here 'no. Pero kung ano man 'yun, parang it's something here na parang, feeling mo you've been toyed 'no, or parang nagoyo ka 'no, or parang nalinlang ka nitong person na 'to. Feeling mo pinaglaruan niya rito yung situation or connection ninyo before. So, ano man yun, it could be any specific situation 'no, kaya nga just take how this resonates 'no. Pero ikaw 'to, bakit parang ngayon na bumabalik siya? Bakit parang ngayon na nagpaparamdam siya? Bakit parang yung damdamin at emotions ko? Hindi 'to puwedeng mangyari, ayokong mangyari ito. Kailangan pigilan ko na madala yung damdamin at emosyon ko rito dahil yung tao na yun ay hindi ko dapat na i-deal na muli. Kailangan tuluyan ko ng matanggal yung tao na yan sa buhay ko. Hindi na ako magpapakatanga ever. So please lang, sana layuan na ako nitong person na 'to. Sana matulungan niya rin ako na layuan ko siya. Yan. So whatever the case may be, nakita ko dito that you could be dealing here with someone na parang alam mo na hindi siya yung makabubuti for you, but for some reason, merong part sa'yo na hindi mo siya maiwasan. That's why I told you guys that it's half-half. It's 50-50. Okay? 50% part of you telling na this person here is not good for you. This person here is pwedeng may red flag or sending you mixed signals. And the other half, the other 50%, okay, is this is you. Parang gusto mo ulit na mag-try, mag-give in sa tao na 'to 'no, parang gusto mo ulit na mag-try na i-workout ang connection ninyo 'no. So, hindi puwedeng gano'n kasi kalahati ta's kalahati 'di ba, hindi ka makapagdesisyon. That's why you are Two of Wands energy, you feel like you are at a crossroads right here 'no. Ayaw mo magpakatanga pero bakit gano'n? Ngayon na bumabalik siya rito, ikaw 'to na tinatanong mo yung sarili mo, may feelings pa ba ako sa taong ito? Pero ayoko ng ma-involve sa kanya, hindi siya yung makabubuti para sa'kin, 'yan. It's like your heart is different to what your mind is telling you. I do see that with this Page of Wands energy, Knight of Swords right here, I do see that this is you, nadadala ka ng emosyon mo rito 'no. Sometimes you wanna run back to this person here or you wanna connect 'no, 'pag nagre-reply, 'pag nagte-text siya sa'yo rito or nagcha-chat siya sa'yo rito 'no, parang for some reason, there's that energy that is telling you mag-reply ka, mag-response ka sa kanya 'no. I think that is your heart telling you. But at the same time, you try to pigil yourself, pinipigil mo yung sarili mo because that is what your mind is telling you naman. That you should not get involved with this person here because he or she will not do any good sa'yo. 'Di ba? So nakita ko dito that this is you. You are really trying to make a decision right here. But how can you make a decision right here if your decision has something to do with it's a tie? Tabla. 50% ayoko na makipag-usap diyan dahil ayoko nang bumalik sa pagiging syungamis yan. And 50% part of you telling na parang gusto ko ulit na maramdaman yung gano'ng klase ng happiness dito sa person na 'to. Parang gusto kong maramdaman ulit yung pagiging espesyal na gano'n kahit na parang hindi totoo, 'yan. So, without any judgment, babe, I do understand because each and every one of you, your feelings are all valid and I'm ready to listen, 'no, ano man yung nararamdaman ninyo. So, whatever that is, I respect that. And without judgment, okay, I understand your feelings and emotions. Yan. So, spirits are saying, take it slow, sweetheart. Knight of Pentacles energy. Slow down. Huwag ka masyado rito na magpadalos-dalos, lalo na walang nakakalamang rito sa desisyon mo. Hanggat, alam mo, kahit meron na lang na parang 1%, pero 99% na, no, ang iyo ritong desisyon na mag-walk away ng tuluyan sa person na to, alam ba na yung 1% na yon ay posibleng makaapekto pa rin ng malaki, lalo na ngayon na nagbabalik at muling magpaparamdam or baka nagpaparamdam na itong person na to sa inyo. Hinihintay niya kayo dito while sitting somewhere. I'm also seeing someone here sitting sa kanyang bed, on top of his or her bed, waiting for your call or waiting for your text or message reply or response. Okay? This person here is anxiously looking sa kanyang phone. There's a lot of worry into this person's mind. But for some reason, not all of them is damuhong. Yan. May mga energies ako nakuha dito sa kakonek ninyo na parang meron siya dito nililihim but that is not something here that is a red flag. Kaya nga just take how this resonates. But for others, yes, this person here is giving you mixed signals and this person here is also nagtataas ng red flags, okay? Kaya nga just take how this resonates. This is quite sensitive right here. This person made you feel that with the Page of Cups energy, this person made you feel that you are special. This person here gave you the attention, that you are special, that this person here is showing you that he cares for you, texting you, tinatawagan niya kayo, no? Making sure na um, parang ikaw yung una niyang kakausapin sa morning, no? And then, always asking you kung nakakain ka na, no? Or nakauwi ka na ba na maayos going home, no? Or galing ka sa work or galing ka sa school. This person always makes sure that he or she text you or call you, might be video call or whatever. I do see that this person here did that sa inyo. And posibleng nawala siya rito ng ilang buwan, di nagparamdam, walang response, hindi mo alam kung ano nangyari sa kanya. Yung iba pwedeng ilang linggo yan, yung iba naman pwedeng ilang araw, yung iba naman pwedeng taon yan, no? Tapos ngayon magpaparamdam siya rito na parang walang nangyari, no? Either nasin niya yung huling message mo sa kanya but you do not receive any reply, or either this is him or her, hindi naman lang niya tiningnan yung message mo para sa kanya. This person here, you can definitely hear his or her reason. But not all of the reasons are true. Yung iba sa inyo, yung kadil ninyo, no, is someone here who is not a bad guy or a bad woman. But I do see that this person here is hiding because he or she is protecting you. But others of them, yeah, damuhong. Yung others of them. Kaya nga, just take how this resonates, no? Alam mo, when someone talk, you can eventually feel, this person is nagsisinungaling sa akin, di ba? May nararamdaman tayong ganun, no? When someone speaks, nararamdaman mo agad, but parang feeling ko, totoo yung sinasabi niya. Yan. Diba? Because people, each and every one of us, we have this so-called intuition. Okay? Others call it gut feeling. Pero kung ano man yan, no, this is something here na hindi kailangan i-ignore. So when this person talks, kasi magpaparamdam yan sa'yo, either personally or that person will message you, feel the presence. Use your intuition. use your gut feeling if that is what you call your intuition, 'di ba? So, 'pag naramdaman mo pa, feeling ko, nagsisinungaling 'to sa'kin, then 'wag mong i-ignore 'yun, okey? But if this is you, iba kasi sa inyo parang nakakaramdam kayo ng pagkabwisit at galit sa kanya, pero when this person starts to talk, you feel like, parang naramdaman ko na totoo yung sinabi niya sa'kin. Kahit sobrang nagagalit ako sa kanya, naiinis ako sa kanya, kasi hindi siya nag-reply, hindi man lang siya nagsalita, wala man lang akong tawag na na-receive sa kanya, pero ba't ngayon, parang gusto kong paniwalaan yung sinasabi niya. You know, when you feel someone is telling you the truth, then eventually, there's a point in there. If you feel like someone here is lying to you, then there's a point, 'di ba? There's a point in there. So, nakita ko rito na you should focus here on your intuition while you are hearing this person out. Kasi that is what you need, no? In order for you to come up with a decision right here that will make you feel better. Kasi ayaw mo magpakatanga sa taong ito, but at the same time, there's a part of you still want to give this connection here a chance. If this is your reading, ha? So, I do see that spirits or angel guides ninyo are telling you to take it slow. Diba? May song tayo na ganun, no? Which is, ang ganda nung part na yun, no? Yung, take it slow. This time we'll take it slow. Ano? Siguro, yung iba sa inyo, parang nabilisan kayo sa pangyayari, no? Yung iba sa inyo siguro naging mabilis na naging kayo nitong person na 'to 'no, kaya inisip niyo rin na parang mabilis rin na nawala yung connection ninyo. Na for others of you, just take how that resonates. No, might not be the case for others naman or for some of you. So I do see Four of Swords energy, so Pentacles, Nine of Wands. Okay, do not let your guard down agad-agad. Okay? There's something sneaky dito sa person na 'to, but you'll soon find out. If you're really interested in really finding out the truth within yourself, then take it slow. Give yourself here time and space for you to be able to understand the situation clearly. Diba? So, nakikita ko rito that this is something here na hindi magiging madali sa'yo, lalo na kung may betrayal dito with the Ten of Swords energy. But I'm seeing you right here, di naman naka-stop mode ka dito. So, ibig sabihin, this is you. You are receiving here a lot of messages. But at the same time, I'm seeing that you are someone here na parang nagdidesisyon pa lamang. Ano man yung desisyon mong gagawin, listen to your intuition. These birds, sa ibabaw or sa ulunan mo rito, no, symbolizes that you are being guided by your angels and spirit guides. Call upon them through prayers, no? Or talk to them, no, through prayers because they're listening to you. And I do see that this is something here that you need to understand, no? Kasi I'm seeing na wala na 'tong lusot, magpaparamdam talaga 'to sa inyo. Kumbaga, ikaw ito na nasa sa'yo kung kakausapin mo ba siya, bubuksan mo ba yung pintuan dito kasi gusto mo siyang kausapin, o bubuksan mo yung pintuan rito kasi ayaw mo ng madugtungan ang connection na 'to. Na bahala na siya, ano man yung sasabihin niya, wala na akong pakialam. Yan. So, which door man ang piliin ninyo, okay? Always, always make sure that you will not regret that decision. Okay? So, I do see that this is something here na it's a tie sa ngayon, pero pagka pinili mo na pag-isipan ito ng mabuti at maintindihan yung damdamin mo, no? At ang way or ang way ng iyong thoughts, no? Over your feelings and emotions, then you can definitely see kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mong mangyari sa sitwasyon na 'to. Isa lang kasi yung sigurado ako rito, eh. Itong person na 'to na is babalik siya rito, itong person na 'to ay magpaparamdam muli sa'yo at ang iyong emotions and feelings. The question is, Magpapadala ka ba ng tuluyan or magpapatangay ka ba ng tuluyan sa emosyon mo at pipiliin mo na madugtungan ang koneksyon ninyo o pipiliin mo na umalis na lang dito sa koneksyon na 'to for good? Yan. Because this is something here na ine-expect mo naman talaga na posibleng mangyari. Pero this is something here that will caught you by surprise because this is something here na parang in-expect siya mangyari, pero hindi mo in-expect na ngayon na, 'no? Or kung kailan man ito mangyayari 'no, parang mapapasabi ka sa sarili mo na, "In-expect ko naman talaga na mangyayari 'to kaso hindi ko alam na ngayon na." 'Yan 'no? Or hindi ko alam na hindi pala ako handa pa. 'Yan. So, hindi naman kailangan magmadali 'no, dahil wala namang nag-iintay sa inyong Grab ride sa labas or angkas 'no. 'Di po ko endorser ng mga 'yan 'no, pero you do not need to rush into things, especially when it comes to love, okey? So, make a decision right here that you think na alam mong hindi mo pagsisisihan ever, okey? You are already at the right age, so you can be able to know, okay, which door will you open. Okay? So thank you so much and please do check out other channel. The link is down below sa ating description box. Thank you so much. Sarang Heyo Love and Light. Annyeong!